Okay, we're going to go through topic number 7 right now. As you can see, I've got most of it already drawn out. And so I'll just kind of explain what I did here, and then we'll move on to topic number 8. On the top, you can see that I factored. We had y plus 2 and y plus 2. And then we put that over top of that y plus 2 that was already on the bottom. And we were able to cancel out 2 of those. This y plus 2 up top. This y plus 2 on top, we were able to cancel out with that y plus 2 on the bottom. And so we were just left with the leftover y plus 2 from the top. So not too bad. You're just factoring and then canceling out the ones that look the same. Topic number 8. So I'm going to factor again, but I see on the top there I can pull a 2 out first, so I'm going to do that. So if I pull out a 2, that'll leave me with y squared minus y minus 2 if I pull the 2 out. And that would be over, what's already down there, that y squared plus y minus 6. Now I'm going to factor both the top and the bottom, those pieces right there. And so that'll leave me with 2 times, y and y, 2 things that multiply to give me negative 2 and add to give me a negative 1 would be a positive 2 and a negative 1. Nope, I did that backwards. Should be a negative 2 and a positive 1. And then on the bottom, we would have 2 things that multiply to give me negative 6 and add to give me a positive 1 would be a positive 3 and a negative 2. And so my y minus 2 will cancel out with this other y minus 2. I'll be left with 2 times y plus 1 over y plus 3 as my final answer. Topic number 9. For topic number 9 here, I'm going to factor right off the bat. So I'm going to factor the top, u and u, 2 things that multiply to give me negative 6 and add to give me negative 1 would be a negative 3 and a positive 2. And then on the bottom, I can pull out a 6, and that'll leave me with 9 minus u squared, which is factorable because of the difference of squares. So we'll have u minus 3 and u plus 2 on the top. And then on the bottom, we'll have 3 and 3, we'll have a plus u and a minus u when we factor that. And so when I look to see which ones are similar here, I really don't have ones that match right now. So I might actually have to flip something around here. I notice, so if I pulled a negative 1 out of this one and flipped those around, this is kind of a lot of steps in one here, but I'm going to flip those around. This is the same thing as like negative 1 times u minus 3. If I pull a negative 1 out of that, you could also tell by distributing that negative 1 in that these are basically the same thing. So my final answer then, I would cancel that out. So this one gets canceled with this one. And I'd be left with u plus 2 on top. And then on the bottom, I'd have a negative 1 times 6. I forgot about that 6, so it would be a negative 6. And then this we already got rid of. We split that up, but we would just be left with that 3 plus u on bottom. It might have made a lot more sense if I would have flipped this around to begin with. So if I would have rewritten that as 6 times negative u squared plus 9, and then I pulled a negative 1 out, so I would turn it into like a negative 6 times u squared minus 9. Now it'd be a little bit easier to see. But yeah, kind of confusing going the long way there.